My name is Charlène Reverdy. I am a R&D Scientist in Ahlstrom. I've been working here since 2018. Started in procurement, and since 4 years I've been working in the R&D sector, so in the group innovation, and working on several subjects for the next generation of our products. So currently my main work is focusing on transparent paper. Today within Ahlstrom I try to combine a century know-how in transparent paper with really disruptive technologies to make something even better for the end application to replace plastic. Innovation is the things that open new pathways. This is the essence of innovation, I think, and it allows to be prepared for the next generation that can come from the customer but also from society requests. One application of, for instance, transparent paper is the replacement of plastic for packaging. Can be food, but can be also clothes. We are really in the front of innovation, so we are, let's say, trying to pave the way, and for our customers in the end, each product, they are more bio-based material, so with a lower carbon footprint and more recyclable. And the main ideas, for instance for barrier, but also for transparent paper, is replace plastic. My main message would be think about the next generation and really think that the consequences of the climate change will cost way higher than what you're going to pay today. Everything that you need to buy, I think that you should buy it recyclable or with renewable materials. My field will evolve with more stringent environmental consideration. As innovation team, we are already into this kind of subject, but with the time we'll get more data, more precise data, and of course we can think about computer assistance technology like AI. That will change in the future, I'm sure. To stay updated in my field, the main thing here is the network. We are in contact with a lot of universities or startups, and with this network we can be updated on what's being done in the universities at lab scales. What I enjoy here, it's innovation, the network, the things that in my job is a lot of learnings. We are really free to propose new things. We are pushed to propose sustainable solutions.
Charlène, if you had a super
yes, allez, c'est bon. Ouais. Ouais, non, mais ça va pas m'aider ça. Yes, so my main message is to think about... C'est horrible. Il est là, Noël, il peut partir un week-end.